Thank you, Lord. Whenever I am struggling, you are always there, giving me strength and a reason to continue and fight. Lord, I am grateful for each passing day.
Pwede mo akong tiisin. Pwede mo akong i-block sa lahat ng social media mo. Pwede mo akong baliwalain na parang hindi ako nag-e-exist. Pwede mo ako